HB.
We laugh beneath the sun. Our stories feel like something new. The world stands still when I'm with you. A moment ago, a dream come true. No need to chase tomorrow's view. Just feel the joy that shines through. Enjoy this time we have together. Nothing could be any better. Every color feels much brighter. Our hearts beat close together. We walk along the streets of sound. Our voices lift the skies around. The echoes dance without a bound. This melody we both have found. No need to chase tomorrow's view. Just feel the joy that shines through. Enjoy this time we have together. Nothing could be any better. Every color feels much brighter. When our hearts beat close together. Enjoy this time we have together. Nothing could be any better. Every color feels much brighter when our hearts beat close together. Enjoy this time we have together. Enjoy this time we have
Ang daming camera.
any better. Every color feels much brighter.
HB.
Our hearts beat close together.
Nasa Pilipinas si Chacha.
Hindi na naman siya malinaw ako anong binilagyan damit.
Wala akong So, hindi na lang sa akin. Ang hirap mag-picture. Naiyak na ako. Nagulat ako eh.
Gulat pa rin siya ngayon.
Gulat, Ben.
Ano ko nakita? Ate ba?
Thank you po.
You're not welcome, bro. You're welcome, bro.
Nakaka-busy.
Napa ako rito. Busy.
Naiyak din yung ate. Ba't na? Kasi hindi namin na-enjoy yan. Pagdating
Picture ako dito nakaupo ako lang new apartment.
Ang ganda naman ng Space Needle.
Ano? Bukod mo, natin na. Okay na.
Okay na to,
Mga
ba?
lalaki.
Hindi, babae lang tayo.
A teeny. Martini. A teeny. A teeny.
Get closer.
Kaya nga kailangan gawin na before.
Masyado kasing
Ayan, naninira pa to. Magbabayad.
Tusok na ako. Madumi, babe.
I didn't know you're coming! Oh my God! Are you coming?
No, I think he's just gonna, just stay around.
It's been a long time no see. proposal.
Yeah, that's fine, that's fine.
I was like, I saw Jean, and I was like, is Steve
Right here. And to double here for the
Ako binibigyan. Ako binibigyan.
Yeah. Yeah.
All the way. One more! One more! One more! Okay, Bibo Bingo. Yay! Si Ate, hindi na siya talaga bumalik sa puso. Hold it. One last. Ate? They got 7. Yeah, they got 7.
Okay, can you guys get closer?
Gawin mo siya mag-count.
Yung unlock, so it can get ano naman?
Cheers!
Just pop and down. Pop and down. That's okay. You need to have fun too.
Isang cellphone pa. Para marami tayo. Kalibaan.
Sige.
Ayan.
Oo.
Edit na lang natin.
Wag kasi...
What?
Oh, here. May pabebe. Ganyan pala kayo.
I'm not a good host.
Easy! Where's my vape? You want vape?
Yeah,
Bring it to Genius enough.
okay. Ella, you got the shot glass? I mean the shots?
Yes, right there.
Meron tayo sa likod sa taas.
Yeah. We have one more space here.
I think this is
Yeah,
right.
we have more space.
And how? Bakit mo nasabi? Feel ko lang. Diba?
Open it. Let's see. We wanna see what's inside.
Oh my God! Grabe naman ito! Sinong nagregalo nito? Junior ba? You have to guess! Guess! Bakit lang talaga ito? So, who's your guess?
Yan mo, ganun mo sa'yo.
I think it's...
Can you put it on the camera?
try
Three
it
words.
I think Ella.
No, take a
No.
shot, bro. Take a shot, bro. Take a shot first. Take a shot first.
Isa-isa lang.
Bigay nito? I don't think so. I don't think Abby will buy this too.
Okay na malalasig ako dito.
That's the purpose.
Okay, you wanna know? You wanna know? Okay, go.
Ako.
Ate!
Oh my God.
Okay, this one.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Let me see.
Ang ina!
Ay,
Girl.
Yun yung counter pa Ganda.
Ganda. Perfect.
Hey, Jane.
Shot ka muna.
Kuha ka muna ng sangria and chocolate. I got your espresso bean. You like that one?
You like charcuterie, right? So that's all.
There you go. Why don't you help me? No. I'm gonna take this shot. This is more tiki-tiki. Yay!
Aw, ang cute. Ano yan?
I know, I keep looking at it earlier. Oh my God! Ay, alam ko na to. Ay, Jane to. Basta tingin sa akin. Ang cute ko yun.
Makabimbang agad. Like,
Yeah.
powers na.
No?
Para masaklagan.
Thank you. Oh my God. Last na to.
I like the color.
Trisha. Ella. Ang ina. And yung thank you mas malaswa. Putang ina, may papusa. Model mo na. Baka every night, di ba iba? No, see, it's one, ano? It's 2 and 1. I never had all this. Yes, 2 and 1. Okay, one more. This day. Oh, I love that.
Oh,
that's cute. You're wearing tonight. Yeah. You're wearing Yeah, virgin. We're at the club. Yeah, boom. Yeah, you can. Yeah.
One more, I think, in the way.
One more?
No, you dropped it, right? Aww. You should There's no underwear, bro. Oh, shit. Really?
You forgot?
Fifi,
No,
they
no.
probably dropped it in
Huh?
the store one day.
No.
Finger yarn.
Cover eyes. No, tawang-tawa, Pastel.
What the hell? You should complain. Yeah. I didn't do anything.
Really, let's see. Bakit hindi mo ganito?
There's nothing. See?
Aww.
You forgot. Give me the
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, ask them.
Sabi niya, ask them, I want it. I still want it. Thank you guys.
Oh my God.
Grabe naman. Pasabog.
What should I do?
God, you like that? Favorite mo yan.
Gamitin mo yan, ha? One week ka.
Purple black siya. Wala siya.
Nabubutis ata ako sa Korea.
Gamitin mo yan, one week.
Wow,
You
you
think
like
I'm
that?
Yeah.
It's not my food. It's gonna hurt.
Kami ulit sa Trisha.
Mahirap din.
Cheers! Congratulations, Ayen!
Yes!
Okay, I need to go.
Bye.
Congratulations.
See you.
Bye.
Thank you.
What's
You wanna take some dick holes?
Try to go down or something?
No.
No.
Do you want me to go with you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kasi wala kasama si Ayon pabalik.
Yung card.
Yung card. Okay, let's go. Pakita mo na. Uy. Ano na yung sa'yo, be? Huwag kang madamo, tangina mo.
Nagsishare na lang kayo.
Hindi, isa-isa kami.
Ano ba yun? Ang ingay niyo.
Nakabalik ka na? Hey. No time movie. Movie night na po.
Dapat si Ayon nakaharap sa atin. Tong
Yung camera natin. Lagay natin dito sa front.
Ayan, kita lahat.
Ito ba natin yan? Para hindi malubat yung isa.
Masaya ka, Ayon.
Happy ka ba, Ayen?
Oo
Parang hindi ka
naman.
naman happy. Parang hindi ka naman masaya.
Masaya naman ako.
grabe kayo.
Naman, kayo naman.
Naman
Oo.
okay.
Ay, grata kang bata. Wala ka
Sabi ko,
talaga.
Joy, gusto mo ilagay
the
ka ba?
other way.
Hey.
Ilay.
Ah,
Di ba akala ko magpipicture pa?
Antok na ako.
ha?
Magpipicture, di ba?
Picture tayo.
Na may ano.
Ay, ganang music ba?
Babay.
Babay na, may gagawin pa kami.
Hi, Ilay.
Okay, kita mo? Kita niyo lahat.
Wait
lang!
Galing naman ako. Oy!
Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
Yung paa mo,
I
sinasabi ko
know.
sa'yo.
Mali.
Yan, ayan na.
Sagot niya.
Ah.
Shashat ka.
Damn!
Okay, ready? Let's play it again.
Hey,
Hey! Hey!
Okay, so, how well do you know each other? Yan yung ating tanong. Okay, ready ka na?
Di ba like 9 years?
So, you
And
guys know
how-
each other well, for
Yeah.
sure.
So this is the
Is that
real
supposed
question.
to, like,
It's not
Wait,
a question.
no, it's just like the-
It's like the intro.
the title.
Intro.
It's the intro.
Intro.
Okay.
Wait, so mag lang kami? Or
Di pa nga,
Hindi pa, wala pa nga yung tanong.
Okay.
It's
Kala
the
ko naman
fear of
ano.
saying how
Okay.
well do you know each other.
Wala
Sa
ka sa
topic.
picture niya, so okay, yan muna.
Okay, first time.
Okay, pakibasa.
Where did you go on your first together? Kaya nga so ko, where did you
Yeah, where did you go on your first travel together? Okay, saan? First vacation, first
Time.
ano.
Bordeaux.
Away tayo. Hindi mo alam kung saan kayo mag-travel.
LA?
LA? Final answer? Yun na yung final answer mo? LA?
Wait lang.
You have 5 seconds to answer.
LA.
LA.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. Tanongin natin si Marvin. Marvin, is that true? LA?
LA ba?
First vacation together. I think we went to Hawaii back.
Wait, may sinabi siya. Go back.
Technically, but it was together technically. But
Meron ba?
I think as far as I remember, I think we went to Hawaii back in 2018. That was our first vacation together technically. But
English si Miss Pag-English pa kasi.
such
Your first trip together.
Hindi ko mo alala
I think
yun.
the best highlight was pumunta kami ng beach.
Okay. Alright.
First case.
First kiss, when and where?
Sa car?
Hoy.
But I don't know where and when. I don't remember.
So what's your answer?
But what year?
When and where?
Yeah, first kiss, when and where?
Card, ano na lang?
Mukhang mahindi ka kasi sa August.
2019. I think, no, 2018.
Okay, let's see.
Alam mo to kung saan.
Oh!
I'm not gonna say anything, but Scarborough.
Oo nga, dati namin sa Redmond. Sa Redmond.
I think
Wait,
ikaw yung unang nag-initiate.
Nakapalang mukha, busy.
Okay, Ryan's first job.
Then siguro, okay.
Basahin mo, girl. Sige na, ako na mabasa para sa'yo. Okay, Ryan's first job. Anong first job mo?
I work in McDonald's.
Uy.
McDonald's yung answer mo. Okay. Let's see.
Eh.
Blowjob.
Pati ba naman dito inamoy?
We had work.
Ganyan talaga sa akin. Ano sinasabi na itong
Hindi mo naman Hindi mo na napakinggan kung ano sinabi.
Bakla matagal daw mo tayo alas 12 dito na nakakalabas. Kasi sabi niya blowjob. Wow!
That's what I remember.
Ay, hindi sabi niya McDonald's. Sabi niya McDonald's. Kasi
Just joking around lang.
Ah!
Okay,
Wala ko
what
naman
is the
yun.
brand?
Your favorite
Favorite scent?
I think I liked fruity scent, but Pero more on, medyo mamahalin set.
Talaga to. Akabista.
To be flowery, but ayun lang.
The groom loses virginity. Kailan? Aba, hindi ba kayo nag-uusap yung mother? Paano kayo kakasal? Totoo lang.
Kasi di siya, sabi niya di daw ako yung first niya. So, daw siya maniwa. Ayaw niya talaga sabihin yung totoo.
Pero sa tingin mo, ikaw yung first niya.
I think I'm the first one.
Sige, tingnan natin. Okay, sige. Baka sagutin naman ni Marvin.
Naku, maniwala ko.
I don't think I can answer this.
Oh, di ba?
Eh,
What is the one thing she can't live without? Answer. Hindi mo, yeah. One thing you can't live without.
Lagi niyang dala-dala yung water bottle niya.
Mali na naman yan.
Lagi niyang dala yun anywhere, kahit saan. Can't live without that.
Okay, what does she do that really annoys you? Anong ginagawa mo sa kanya? That annoys him.
Visitin siya.
Oh!
Bali.
Every time na inaasal niya ako, naasal naman ako. Aasalin niyo pa ako. That's really annoys me. So, yeah.
And question number 9. What are the dirtiest position you've done and where is it? Where na daw? And where is the most
place you've done
you've done it? Okay, Ian first.
I think sa car.
Sa car.
Ano si Dapat sinungaling talaga yun. 69?
69? Tanong to.
2 seconds ko lang.
Oh, sige, sige. Mabilis, mabilis!
Mali ako.
Ah!
Malapit na.
Maganda.
Isa pa.
Yung dalawa.
Yung mata. Go, go!
Hindi ko pa yung
Ayaw pumasok ng TV.
ganyan o. Slash nyo.
10 seconds yan.
Naalala ko tuloy si Marvin dito.
Natutulog na ako sa kakadilat ng mga.
Ako din eh.
Uy, lot ka.